Do you suffer from blurry vision? Are you worried about the risk of developing cataracts? If so, this video is for you. Today, I will tell you about a powerful and completely natural recipe. A smoothie packed with ingredients that could help improve your vision and reduce the risk of cataracts. Get ready to say goodbye to blurry vision and discover how this smoothie can transform your eye health. Cataracts are one of the leading causes of vision loss worldwide. Over time, our eyes can become cloudy due to the accumulation of proteins that form a layer over the eye's natural lens, the crystalline lens, which allows light to focus properly. This cloudiness is what is known as cataracts. Additionally, factors such as aging, sun exposure, poor nutrition, and a lack of antioxidants contribute to the development of cataracts and loss of visual clarity. But what if I told you that specific nutrients could help protect your eyes and naturally reduce the risk of cataracts? Here is the recipe for a smoothie that could make a big difference in your eye health. This smoothie contains ingredients rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help strengthen your eyes and fight protein buildup in the crystalline lens. Let's take a look at the ingredients and their benefits for your vision. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin essential for eye health. Beta-carotene helps protect the eyes from free radicals that damage eye tissues and supports good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that act as natural filters against harmful light and UV rays. These nutrients protect the crystalline lens and retina, helping to prevent the damage that can lead to cataracts. Vitamin C, found in oranges, is another powerful antioxidant. It helps strengthen blood vessels in the eyes and keeps eye tissues in good condition. Vitamin C also contributes to reducing the risk of cataracts and improving visual clarity. Cucumber is composed of 95% water, which helps keep our eyes well hydrated. Additionally, it is rich in vitamin C, which also supports good eye health and helps reduce irritation and eye strain. Walnuts are an excellent source of vitamin E, another antioxidant that protects eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin E is particularly useful for maintaining the integrity of eye tissues and reducing premature aging. Now that you know all the benefits of each ingredient, let's prepare this smoothie, which is very easy and quick to make. You only need the following ingredients: 2 medium-sized carrots, a handful of fresh spinach, the juice of 1 orange, half a cucumber, and 4 walnuts. The preparation is simple. Wash the spinach and cucumber thoroughly, cut the carrot into small pieces, squeeze the orange juice, and add it to the blender. Place all the ingredients in the blender and blend until you get a smooth mixture. If you prefer, you can add a little water to adjust the consistency, and that's it. You have a fresh smoothie full of nutrients that will help strengthen your eyes and improve your vision. To maximize the benefits of this smoothie, I recommend drinking it fresh, preferably on an empty stomach. This will allow the nutrients to be absorbed more effectively. You can drink it 3 to 4 times a week as a supplement to a balanced diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables. Remember that, in addition to including this smoothie in your routine, other habits can help you take care of your eyes. Wearing sunglasses to protect your eyes from UV rays is essential. It is also important to take regular breaks when working in front of a screen and maintain a diet rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. If possible, incorporate other vitamin C-rich foods such as broccoli, blueberries, and bell peppers. Our eyes are one of the most important and valuable tools we have to connect with the world. That's why keeping them healthy and cataract-free is essential for a full and active life. Give your eyes the care they deserve with this natural smoothie and a few simple protective habits. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to give it a like, and share it with your loved ones so they too can naturally improve their eye health. And if you want to learn more recipes and tips for taking care of your health, follow us or subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.